leading manufacturer and distributor precision engineering projects. So you can see the products here, end mills, twist mills. So they're like high precision drills and that family of tools. We have operations globally and we sell worldwide as well. We're very much of a mindset of to automate where it makes sense. And we're always looking for useful tools to do it. One of the things we actually wanted to innovate, the first thing we wanted to innovate was our innovation process itself. So that's when we started looking at, well, maybe we could use some kind of workflow. You're looking at ideation to get into a finished product, and there's multiple steps in between. And that's really where we came across Kianda, and we just tried it and it was just quick to set up, so kind of stuck. But this was, how do we look at our innovation pipeline, our innovation process. What people really like about this would have been typically presented with a PowerPoint and a load of Excels, and it's very hard to explain whether you've 182 ideas in your pipeline, where they're at, are they progressing. So not only are you getting metrics, you're getting process metrics. You're seeing how the whole process itself is working. Anyone who's made any changes in SAP knows it takes a long time. You need to get the code in, you need to put it in the dev system, you need to transport it, you need somebody to test it, etc. So what was nice with Kianda, the first kind of workflow that connected to SAP, we just pointed it at SAP, it can see the BAPIs, and once you know what's there, it's very quick. So really it's the quickness of how we can get it done. And at the moment a lot of the stuff we're just reading data to validate forms or pull down information. There is lots of other platforms that you can build workflows on, and however we found again that is still not quite as easy as you need. You still need a technical IT person to build it, to troubleshoot it, and it can take an extraordinarily long amount of time to get this done. It's not quite as agile. And it was quite nice looking as well out of the box, and it can be easily changed. It's starting to touch a lot of areas of the organisation, and because it is a workflow, if we've any process where it's typically we've had to email somebody, said this step is now complete, now it goes to finance, now it goes to customer services, now it goes to production, that has all been streamlined.